I'm back with Jane. We haven't recorded a video in a long time with Jane.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
It's us today. We have some nerds. We're on a boat right now.
We're on a boat.
Hello. We're on a boat right now.
Oh, yeah.
And we have some burners.
So should we do a house tour?
We have some nerds. Oh yeah, here. Hold the camera. I'm gonna get some nerds.
Okay, so there's Koopa. Here, give me some nerds.
Okay, here.
So guys, just in case if you have to poop, you're gonna put this inside the toilet. Just in case. You never know.
Okay.
Okay. The nerds are good. They're not there anymore. So,
They're so good.
should we do like a boat tour?
What?
Should we do like a boat tour?
Okay.
Okay, you take the camera side for the tour.
I did the tour last time when we did the house tour.
Yeah, but I did. Okay, ready? Come on. Now.
Wait, let me
Comment
get.
down below who did the house tour because we're filming it.
Remember, I did it.
So right here, here's the bathroom.
The bathroom.
The bathroom, yeah.
And then we got
The bed. Like there's a bed, some
Bed in
drawers and stuff.
and then
Okay, now follow us.
with the
So
at
this
the
is where
table
we were
right here.
eating.
We've been here. Windows.
Here are like some relaxing chairs.
Oh, it smells good.
I know, right?
And then we got here. We got the outside. Now we got giant, and then we got an upstairs too, but we're not gonna show that.
Okay, let's show them the
That's
prize
really
thing
just
here.
nothing.
Look at the prize thing, the TV. And the TV doesn't even work.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
So we only have like a little bit of time because when the boat starts moving, we have to like take the phone away.
Okay, pour some nerds into my hand.
Okay.
That's enough. Ooh, I got some nerds.
No wonder they taste like burgers.
But what did you do? What are you doing? Is she gonna try to put him back? Are you kidding me?
No.
And we got some burners. So good. We'll get some of these. So good. And then,
I'll ask for like a paper towel. Yeah, I'll get a paper towel. Stop.
okay, I'm gonna eat these.
I see paper towel. We don't want to place it on a disgusting table, do we?
Alright, hold on. Look at the nerds.
Look at, they're all stuck to my hand.
Those are sticky now. What are you?
Because I'm sweaty. I'm not always.
Alright, let's go. Let's eat.
That's all we need right now.
I'm mad at. What if we prank someone on the boat?
That'd be a really bad prank. It'll probably be bad. Should we prank somebody in the boat, guys? Yes or no? Yes, of course, we're the prankers.
Subscribe for yes. And like for no.
Yeah, that's a really good thing.
Did you do it? All right.
Okay, so we counted more subscribers than likes, so let's do it.
Okay. What should we prank?
Yeah, guys, what should we prank?
Who should we prank?
Who should we prank and what should we prank? So the people we have to prank.
No. Who should we prank and how should we prank?
Yeah, so the people we have to prank is Uncle Nick, my dad, which is Chris, okay, Nick Schwartz, Chris Schwartz,
Wait, we could prank.
Michael Fordorza.
No, we're probably gonna prank Uncle Michael.
Or Michael. Wait, is his last name Schwartz like us?
Longo.
Or Michael Longo.
But so, I mean, what should we do? I know. Let's go prank someone.
Wait, this what?
I'll show you a prank on
I found the rarest thing in the world. I found it literally on the Skittles thing. Show the camera. Show the camera. I found this in the Skittles thing. Should I eat it? Oh my gosh, it's actually in the
2 minutes, we're leaving.
Okay, guys, let's see the prank quickly.
What should we do?
Okay, let's pretend like you're gone. Hi, like lay down right there. Lay down without anybody seeing you.
Fine. I
You
can't.
have the camera. Yeah, you can. Here, just lay down. Lay down so nobody can see you. Hey, I can't find Cooper. He's like missing. Cooper's like missing. I can't find him.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you know where?
What should I do? Should I
Do you know
cross
where he
way or-
is?
No, just do what you're doing.
Do you know where he is? Do you know where Cooper is?
I'm gonna drink it. I might not drink it. What?
Do you know where Cooper is? He's like not in the boat. I can't
I
find
don't know.
him
Maybe
anywhere.
he's probably inside the gas station buying beer.
It didn't work, guys. It didn't work. They're too hard to prank. Cooper?
Is he down there?
I don't know. where is he? Cooper?
Cooper, you aren't here, right?
Help!
All right, you in the bathroom?
Help! Oh, he's stuck. He's stuck over there.
Where?
He's in the.
Cooper, are you okay?
He's stuck.
Huh? Don't thank you. Don't do that.
Oh God! Get pranked. Okay, guys. Well, that's the end of our video.